What's up, guys? It's December 28th, 2023. We're going to do a breakdown of the Emini. Today sucked. Honestly, I was not happy with the price action was super slow, range bound. We have been trending higher for a very long time, so yeah, it was a pretty tight range from high to low. Oh, here's the low. It's the high. Wow, 11.50 point, what did I just say? 11.5 point range. That's crazy. That sucks. By the time you guys are seeing this, it will be Friday, so I hope you guys had a good last trading day of the year. Wrapped it up. Starting next week fresh. It's going to be fun. So yeah, I'll just get into this. It's going to be a quick breakdown because today just was boring as heck. Bar 1 was a small gap down, and then the price kind of raced to the top, and then it sold back into the middle of the point. This can be a trading range bar. It's an outside bar, so outside bars typically are trading ranges. And the first 6 bars of the day was a sell strong bull bars, buy strong bear bars, so that means it's a range bound environment here. And that's literally what we got today, was just all range. Really tight range, is 11 point range. Leg counting is difficult. Here's just is a limit order market. After the first 6 bars of the day, we push into the EMA and bulls get 2 legs. Leg 1, leg 2, or leg 3, excuse me. This would be the second leg, third leg, and that gives a wedge top appearance here. Also, there's a wedge top here. Oh. And one more thing I was kind of looking at throughout the day was how the market was going to react to this. I was looking at that kind of like a overall big wedge top. I ended up waiting for a short here, but I didn't take profits fast enough because I thought we were going to spill. I thought this bar was big enough to break down. And the breakout from here lined up, I think I had it measured, it lined up right below the bar of 78. So I held longer thinking, we were going to have an 18 bar range breakout testing the previous breakout bar. But today ended up just being a tight trading range day. Better just sit these days out unless you can limit order scalp or just stop order for a couple points here and there. Bar 16 we make a new high, and bar 17 is no continuation. That's coming after a wedge top here, and the bears get 3 legs down. They get multiple legs down. Depends. Well, here's 1 leg, and then we have a channel break here, 2 legs. You can also count it like this, leg 1, channel line break here. The channel that's breaking that candle is this bar. So that's the channel I'm looking at. So that's why I said 3 legs. Leg 1, leg 2, leg 3. Or you could do it something like this and have that bull bar being leg 1, leg 2, second leg trap in a trading range. And then bulls buy trading range lows and push into the highs. They do make a new high tick here. Oh, excuse me. I just skipped this whole price action. Bulls try and make a new high here but fail, and we get a vacuum test at the lows. Bar 42 is back continuation at highs, and it sells all the way down to the high of last week. Bar 44 shows us a failed breakout. Well, these 2 bars are failed breakouts. To create a double bottom, a lower low double bottom, and then bar 45 is a higher high. And we can see 3 legs here, leg 1, leg 2, leg 3 is parabolic with a new high tick. And the market sells back into the EMA, 2 legs down, leg 1, leg 2. Bulls get their 2 legs, leg 1, leg 2. Bar 55 is bad follow through at high, or bar 56 is bad follow through for bar 55. It ends up just being a vacuum test. Bulls try and go for a new high of the day, but create a double top with these 2 wicks, and they also fail to close above bar 16's high. And then they sell leg 1, leg 2, leg 3, and leg 4 on bar 79 becomes parabolic. And all these are just vacuum tests. You have to ask yourself, is the market breaking out or is this a vacuum test? A bar this parabolic is people are going to take profits. Bears are going to take profits because this is just too much risk too fast. Same thing for the bulls. Bulls that bought here. This looks like a test of bar 74 high, yesterday's breakout level. So yeah, so bar 78 tested tested yesterday's breakout level from here. And then the market, where are we? So, like where the heck? I just lost my spot. I was here. So, like 1, channel line break, like 2, channel line break, like 3, double bottom, pullback. There's enough momentum here for a second leg. I was in this one. Oh, what the heck? So, bottom of bar 70 to the high of bar 71 to the low of bar 72. Leg 1, leg 2 was met. Definitely a harder leg 1, leg 2 to trade in my opinion, because the bars were moving very fast. They were very large. They were all vacuum tests. As soon as they came to the previous resistance, that's where they had their limit orders to sell out of longs, and then the bears immediately short highs. Bears are shorting yesterday's high. Bulls are buying last week's low. Going parallel. The market's starting to go range bound after a huge run up. We can see that on the daily chart here. I'm keeping this leg 1, leg 2 move up just to see. It's nothing important. Actually, I think I'm just gonna delete the measurement because I don't want someone new to come in here. I'm just putting this here because I don't. Is that how you spell possible? Because I just don't want someone new to watch this video and be like, oh, the target's 49.37 without understanding. Like, I'm just seeing if this is gonna get a leg 1, leg 2 move. However, the bars are getting smaller. Big bar, indecision, big bar, indecision, indecision. And we're at last week's high, so it could take a lot of time to get here. Maybe we get that pullback wedge top sell. I think we talked about that a little bit yesterday. Today's video is kind of quick. It's the end of the year, last trading day. I'll be posting today's video up next week, next year. That's when I'll talk to you guys next. I'm going to try and post a trading update soon just to let you guys know where I'm at. Yeah, I hope you guys had a good last day of the year trading. I'll talk to you guys next week. Happy New Year's. Stay safe. Don't drink and drive wherever you're at. It's not a good idea. Yeah, have a good one, guys. Happy New Year's. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.